What's up, guys? How you doing? I have a brake check on a 2020 Subaru Outback. Pads look good. Rotors look good. On the passenger side, also pads look good. But look, that shiny spot there on the rotor, on the edge of it. And it's all the way around, as you see. That means the hardware is close to the rotor and it's rubbing against it. So take it out, clean it up, and put it back. So I'm gonna recommend clean and lube your hardware and all the brackets, grind them down and clean up. Subscribe, like and comment. That was helpful too.